Hey, how you doing? Austin here. Going to talk to you in this video about Shiba Inu. Should you be buying more? Should you buy at these levels? Is this a good time to buy? Should you wait? Is there a certain level that maybe you should be looking at buying? All that we're going to discuss because quite frankly, guys, cards on the table right here, right now. I've done other videos on other cryptos. When the market is in the red, this is when the whales are buying. This is when the people who really make money in the crypto market are buying. So I wanted to talk to you guys specifically about Shiba Inu. Is this a time to buy? Okay. Also want to point up front, this is not my opinion on this particular one. I've got a piece of content. It's got some technical analysis and specifically talks about, bullish action, bearish action, shorting. There's some stuff that's going on and also recommendations on price points. So that's what we're going to talk about in this particular video. So if that's of interest to you, stick around. Also, I want to ask you a question in the comments below. What is your opinion? My buddy Zach and I see a need in the market here on YouTube to help you guys from an education standpoint. So we're thinking about creating a very straightforward crypto trading course. This would be a video course that you could buy and get access to. Not going to charge a lot of money. Is that something that you would be interested in and you would want? Drop in the comments below a yes or a no. Just let me know. This is kind of an informal poll. Just trying to get a feel if that's something you guys care about. It would be basic trading strategies, how to trade, how to buy and hold, take profits, other trading strategies along with crypto. Let me know your thoughts. All right. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Let's go take a look at what's going on right now with SHIB. Okay, so remember, I have my Patreon group over here. I talk about this in every video. The reason I talk about this in every video, it's important, is that I really feel like we are helping people over here. I've got two different levels. You get access to Discord on both of them. At the inner circle level, which is this one right here, you get access to my portfolio, what I'm buying, what I'm holding, what I'm selling. You also get access to early hot crypto tips. If there's a brand new crypto that is popping, I think it's going to go up, I send you trade alerts on those, so you get early access to that information. A lot of times it's information that I do not even share on my YouTube channel. So things like that, it's insider information on the inner circle. And remember, we have the Discord as well, which is over there. We have a community supporting each other and all that kind of stuff. Also, just in case you didn't know this, I've been
Chris and Mark.
Whoa, that's loud. I've been approved to have a memberships section here on YouTube. It's in this Join Now button. If you want to check that out, you get access to do like emojis and stickers and things like that. It gets you preferential treatment in live broadcast, things like that, answer your questions and all that kind of stuff. There's more there, but just go check it out. It's in the Join Now button right below this video. All right, so with all that said, let's talk about the overall kind of state of the union and talk about the fact that is this a good time right now to be buying SHIB? Yes or no? Okay, we're going to answer that. I want to state up front, you guys know, but for those of you guys who are new to me, I do own SHIB. I own hundreds of millions of Shiba Inu, and I'm going to be adding to my levels because, quite frankly, I think it's going to go up. We've got a massive amount of catalysts out there, things like that. But it has to be the right decision for you, right? This is not investment advice, all that kind of stuff. I got to do my disclaimers. But my point to you is that right here, right now, with the overall crypto market being flat and just down and not doing really that good, I think we're going to be here for another week or so, give or take. And then I think in fourth quarter of this year, we are absolutely poised to move up. But I mean, look, Bitcoin is inching down towards that $30,000 kind of really key support level. Ethereum crossed below 2,000. I had said when Ethereum crosses below 2,000, I'm buying more, and I'm going to be buying some more in the very near future. So again, we got a lot of stuff going on here where the overall market is really flat and really not doing very well. It's been this way. Usually summers are pretty bad for overall all of the equity markets. Okay, so stocks and things like that, and it happens to crypto as well. Right now, SHIB is kind of doing its thing. It's moving around a little bit right now, testing the lows in 6.8. Well, if you want to go down the bottom of the candles, we're at 6.8s. And right now we're trading in that, that 6.9 position. Let's take a look real quickly and see where we're at. We're 6.982. Yeah. So we're at 6.982. Okay. So let's talk about this particular piece of content that I really want to talk about. So the question on the table is, should you be buying more Shiba Inu at this point in time? Okay, I want to state up front, again, it has to be the right decision for you. Don't put money into it you can't afford to lose. Don't put the kids' college fund, don't put the rent fund, the rent money, don't put the grocery money and all that kind of stuff. But I think, again, at these levels, we're getting really, really close to some seriously attractive buy the dip levels. Okay, so Shiba Inu must watch out for the bull trap as SHIB bears remain in control. All right, so we know we've been under pressure. We know we've kind of dipped lower. All right, so right here, keep calm and buy SHIB. Right here, this is key. It's why I highlighted it. Short sellers are enjoying the tailwind across the board with souring sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Proof of that is right here, guys. The short selling positions have been piling in to the overall market for a little bit now. And you can see this red line down here on this graph, it represents the short selling positions. Okay, so these are people that are piling in that are making money. The easiest definition, they're making money when Bitcoin goes down. Okay, they want Bitcoin to go down so they can make money. And you can see that as look at the red line and see the dot on the white line move as well. As the short selling positions have gone up, see the white line, see the bubble start, and Bitcoin has started to move down, the price of Bitcoin. Okay. And that is impacting SHIB. You can see it. Here's Bitcoin's chart, 1 hour chart. Look at it right here. Look at this. Let me show you. Look at this arc right here. SHIBs, look at the arc right here. Okay, SHIB is moving with Bitcoin and all that kind of stuff. That's not the point of this video. Okay, my point to you is that short sellers are pushing everything around. I guarantee you there are people short selling SHIB. There are. Okay, so just that's happening. Okay, so there is a case for buyers to go long right here. See this right here? There is a case for buyers to go long, but not at levels today. Although price action is up, a bull trap looks to be forming. Okay, so specifically, the point of this video is to talk about maybe some levels that you might want to look at buying into. Okay. Excuse me. Another proof that sellers are in control is that the wicks of the candle are lower at the top and longer at the bottom. Add to that the respecting of the downward black trend line, and there are enough reasons for buyers to stay out for right now. Again, this is what this content's talking about. And you know what? I'll drop a link. I'll drop a link to this particular piece of content down in the description below. Okay. All right. So the best approach for SHIB is to let short sellers have their fun for now and wait for better entry points as long as the negative sentiment is ruling cryptocurrencies in general. I've stated this. I've been talking about this in every video, guys. I know you're probably tired of hearing me say it, but it is true. The overall sentiment in the overall cryptocurrency market is negative right now and has been for the last 4 weeks. I mean, 5 weeks. We've had, little blips up. There's your word of the day, blip. Yes, I know I've used it before, but I love it. It's a good word. Okay, so further downward to 600, and right now I'll show you we're at 6971. So they're saying if we hit 6000, okay, where is it? Right there. Further downward, 600 is the first port of call for buyers to step into SHIB. Just a few cents below at 560 and 550 as a double platform where buyers surely can go long. Okay. As the short sellers are very much dictating price action, do not step into SHIB with the formation of that bull trap just below the monthly S1 pivot level. Instead, wait for the lower entry. Entry can also be when market sentiments flare up, and only then SHIB break that black descending line trend line up to the upside. Okay, so the point here is this. If you want to take this article at its face value, you'd be looking at getting in, if you wanted to buy more SHIB, you'd be looking at getting in at 600. Oh, yeah, 3 O's. And or if you really wanted to try to time it and go really in and try to really time that bottom bounce, that bottom support level at 560. Okay, now, here's one thing I'm going to say to you. Totally up to you, right? Totally up to you. Sometimes trying to time it perfectly, you're not going to always time it perfectly. That just is probably not going to necessarily happen. Pick a level that's right for you. If you are, number one, thinking about getting into SHIB. Number two, you're thinking about adding to your position. I'm going to probably buy if we get down into the low sixes. I'm not going to necessarily time it to 6,000. And then I might buy, however much I'm going to buy. And then if we drop below that into the fives, all right, cool. I might buy some more at that level. Okay. So again, it could be multiple scenarios here. But that's really what I wanted to bring to you. That's the point here, right? Is that I think that there's opportunities, and that's a good thing. All right. So hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for your support. See you down the road. See ya.